Samsung is gearing up to unveil its flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S24, in January 2024. While fans eagerly await the announcement detail about the phone, which have already surfaced online. This include information on event date, Galaxy AI features, specification of Galaxy S24 models, and the color option available. This year, the S24 Ultra will feature a titanium frame, as the premium variant Galaxy S24 Ultra already has some of its color options revealed: titanium black, gray, yellow, and violet. For the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, they will come in colors like onyx black, marble gray, umber yellow, and cobalt violet. However, there are new rumors suggesting that we may also see these models offered in three colors: orange, purple, and white. Do note that these may not be their official color names, though they were discovered based on images of the SIM trays for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. The picture of the SIM card tray displays the colors of the frame, provided insight into the new color option for the regular variant of the Galaxy S24. It's worth noting that these colors might be exclusive and available exclusively through Samsung website. In addition to that, as we move on into the leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 series, it seems that Samsung has made some changes to the camera setup on the S24 Ultra. Not only these upgrades to the main 200 megapixel camera sensor, but one of the standout features is expected to be more powerful AI capability. However, before we explore those details, let's discuss an aspect of any flagship lineup: is the pricing. Despite introducing the AI features and reserving the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive for the S24 Ultra, Samsung is pleasantly surprising us with the price compared to the last year model. This means that you can expect the Galaxy S24 to start at $700, while the S24 Plus will be priced at $999, and top of the line S24 Ultra will be pricing at $1199. Moreover, this time around, they are offering an exciting pre-order deal such as complimentary Galaxy watches or Galaxy Buds, and exceptional trade and offers specifically tailored for current S23 series users. So how is Samsung managing this? Well, it's all thanks to Exynos 2400. In case you are not aware of the Exynos 2400, well, it's a comeback for the processor for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in few markets. Since this chip is developed by Samsung themselves, on their process, they can offload some of the tasks from Qualcomm Reserve. Then for the S24 Ultra and few specific markets with S24 and S24 Plus models, this allows them to save cost while maintaining the price as the last year model. This means that all the features will be getting included in all the AI capabilities will be completely free and available on devices such as S24 and S24 Plus. You don't have to purchase the Ultra variant for these features. It's quite a deal. However, I would like to see your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's move on to the discussing of the camera upgrades for the S24 Ultra. Even though it uses the 200 megapixel sensor as its predecessor, they have managed to improve its night mode and low light performance for both the photos and videos. It seems like Samsung is truly unleashing the potential of this camera sensor now, and Samsung is also enhancing their 200 megapixel features by leveraging a technology. And let's not forget, Samsung is also rumored to bring the 24 megapixel as the default photo resolution, which is going to be one of the best things that can happen on the Samsung camera. And you guys, I'm super excited about the upcoming S24 series, which is expected to be launching in January 17. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that device? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.